Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money online for free. You can see this application which is called Featurepoints. I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money online with Featurepoints. You will make up to $500 online for free with this application. All I just want you to do, keep watching. Let me show you. So the first thing, come to your Google Play Store and search for Featurepoints. So once you search for Featurepoint, the application will pop up. As you can see, this is the application and this is the review. They have 10 million download. They have 120k reviews. So yeah, this is the application which is called Featurepoint. So once you have installed the application, the second part is to register. Let me show you how you click on open once you have installed it. So it will land you on this page. So you can see that you can register with Apple, you can register with your Facebook, you can register with your Google account. So we are going to register. What I need to talk about this application before we register is that this is a legit website. I just want you to pay attention, and it's available worldwide. If it's not available, just tell me your country in the description below. I might make videos about application that might be available in your own country for your own good. So just leave me your country, just say this is my country, and I will help you through. So let us register right now. So to register, like I said, we are going to use our Gmail to register. I will click on sign in with Google. So as you can see, I have entered my Gmail. I will click on continue. So when I click on continue, it's going to come here asking me to enter my password and my first name and last name. So I will do that. So as you can see, I've entered my password. I've confirmed my password, my first name and last name. I will click on sign up. So we have clicked on sign up. So it's going to say, welcome Chris, you are almost ready to start earning with Featurepoint. Please read our privacy policy and terms and condition and accept it. So we are going to read it. Because I've already read it, I will just scroll up and click on this section where I say agree and continue. So I will click on agree and continue. So it's going to ask us for referral code. So you have to use this referral code if you want to get this 70 points. So I will use a referral code which will be money 70 in capital letter. Use money 70 in capital letter as your referral code. Money 70. So it's money 70, and I will click on continue. So as you can see, they have taken us to this place asking us about our date of birth and our country. So I'm going to fill everything up. So as you can see, I have filled out the details up. I will click on continue. So here is going to ask us, say choose your first reward. So you can say, okay, we want this, which is paper. We'll click on continue. It's our preferable reward. Is a preferable reward like what I like. So it's paper. I'll click on continue. So here is going to ask us to start taking surveys, and they have sent us an email for we to verify our account. So you can see here it say confirm email. So what we need to do, we need to go to our Gmail to confirm our Gmail. But before we go there, let us click on resend, or we should leave it. Let us check our Gmail to see if we have received the Gmail that they have sent to us for our account to be verified. So let us verify our account. Let us go to our Gmail. So as you can see, this is our Gmail, and if I click on this is the Gmail we just received. You can see Featurepoint Chris. I'll click on that, and here is telling us to click on our email for our account to be verified. We just need to click on this section to confirm, and it's going to give us a successful message. So you said your email has been successfully confirmed. I'll click on continue, and we are good to go. So we are going to go back and log into our account. That we have logged into our account, so how can we start making money with this application? So what you need to do is very simple. You can see that it say new play and end. So on this section where I say new play and end, this section you can click on it, and it will take you to a section where you can download any game and you start making money from it. I will just click on this just to give permission to this application Featurepoint to run on my smartphone. I will go and search for Featurepoint is here. I will click on it, and it's okay now. So I will just go back. I think everything is okay now. So yeah, so as you can see, for per a minute I'm going to be getting 1 point for playing this game that you can see that say Rise of Cultures, and this one I'm going to be getting 2 points per a minute for each per minute for playing this game. So it continue going like that, it continuously going. So how can you start playing all those games? Can you start playing it directly from here? No, you have to download the game through this place, through this link that you are now, through this page that you click on it to take you to Google Play Store. You download the application and you play it. you start playing the game continuously. More you are playing the game, as long as you have internet connection, you make sure you have internet connection while you are playing the game, you will start making money. That is how you can play game making money with this application when you click on play and end. So on this session where you say let's get started, this session is where you are going to update your profile. One thing I like about updating your profile, filling up your information on Featurepoints, is that when you are filling up your information, so that when you fill up your information, that is with that information you fill up, that is how they are going to be fetching you survey that is according to what you told them that you can do. You fill up all the form. So through that is with that form that they are going to use to send you surveys to do. So that is if you want to answer question and get paid. That is this session that say let's get started to fill up your profile. And once you have filled up your profile, like I said, play and end game, you already know about that. And on this section at the bottom, you can see that you can take surveys of 3 minutes, you will get 162 points. Take surveys of 4 minutes, you are going to get 174 points. Take surveys of 3 minutes, you are going to get 162 points. So it continuously going like that. You can unlock a lot of points to earn up to 5,000 points, and you can earn points for tab research, pull fish, in-brain. So it continuously like that. And the part I love so much is this part where you can download the application. You can see download the application, use it for a particular time, and you are getting paid. You can see this application, download it and get to level 250, you will earn 120 future points. So yeah, that is how it works. It's very simple. And if you scroll down here, like this one here that says download application, use it for 2 minutes. This is one of the parts I love so much. Like you download the application, use it for 2 minutes, and you are going to get, you will earn 40 points of future point. So yeah, that is how this part work, and it's very, very simple to do. And yeah, so if you scroll down here, there's a bunch of offers here. You can watch videos to earn tokens, and you can use all those tokens to enter daily task, like a daily stakes or sweepstakes. So yeah, that is what I need to talk about on this. But I hope you are following the instruction of what I'm saying, and if you are enjoying it, all I want to say, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is only what I'm asking from you. So let us keep on going. So you can see this section where you see earn unlimited points, which is where you are going to refer people to this program. You remember I use money 70. Don't forget, use money 70 as the person that refer you to Featurepoints. Yeah, that is my referral code. So if I click on those session now, it's going to open up telling us that okay, TK, you can edit this your referral code to what you want. You can click on edit here, and you can edit it to the name you want. So anytime they use that your referral code, it will show that it's you that refer them to this program. So yeah, that is what I need to talk about. And you can refer people to this program. You earn 50% of their earning. So imagine you earning 50% of anyone you refer to this program. You say you are earning 25% of your referral point. For the first time you are earning 50%, then after that you are going to be earning 25%. You say refer and other 3 other people, you will earn 50% of all points in your referral earn. So you see how everything is working. It's very simple, this application that you can use to start making free money online. So once you start referring people to the program, you will see your earnings, you will see how many people you refer here, you see how much you have earned from. So that is how you can make money with this application. If you click on this section, you will see your earning history, how many surveys you have taken, how many people you have referred, and etc. etc. You find them on this notification session. And if you click on share session on the bottom here, like what I told you, you'll find a place where you will be able to share your link and give your referral code to your friends or your audience, and once they use it, you are going to make money. How you can still make money is you can say win. This session you can enter into a contest, like they have a daily contest. You see the winners here, people that win like $100, $5 is continuously going like that. And in instant win, this session where we are going to do daily scratch, where you can win tokens, and you can use all those tokens to participate on their daily contest or their weekly or monthly contest that you can see on the screen here. So that is what you can do on this session here. And if I click on reward part here on this session, you will see the multiple option on how you can receive your money. Let me say you are in US, you might find a multiple option, like multiple ways that you can use to cash out your earning. Like the country where I am here, you can see that they have Amazon, they have a Google Play Store, they have a Steam, they have a Zalando, they have a PayPal, they have a Bitcoin. So that is the that is the payment method that they have. They have 6 payment method in this country where I'm living currently right now. If I let me, I told you that you will make up to $500 with this application. If I click on PayPal, you will see on this session, you will see that PayPal will pay you $500 into your PayPal account. Just imagine you winning this. Look at the minimum amount you need to minimum amount of points you need to get to be able to cash out this $500. You need to get at least 300,000 plus credit, which is 300,000 future point credit, to be able to cash out this $500 into your PayPal account. It's not very difficult if you do this continuous downloading application, using game, playing games, participating in a bunch of offers. Monthly, you will find out that you even make more than that. I have seen people who is making a lot of money with Featurepoints. I have made money. That is why I'm making this video. I hope that you get idea of what I'm talking about and you find it very helpful. So I told you everything about Featurepoint and how you can make money with it. If there is anything I didn't cover on this video, please leave me in the comment section below, and I will say this application is available worldwide. You can try it out and see what is good for you. So if it's not good for you, like what I said from the beginning of this video, just comment, this is my country, write your country name, and I will make video about that application that is available in your own country. I will say thank you very much and see you on the next video, a way on how you can make money online for free. See you on the next one.